Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone without power button or a broken power button. Now first you need a USB cable and then connect the end of the cable to a Windows or Mac laptop or desktop computer, and then you have to connect other end of the cable to your phone. But not now, I will tell you when. Now the first thing you have to do is press and hold your volume up key and volume down key at the same time together. Now just do it, and then take the USB cable and connect to your phone, and make sure that the other end of the cable will be connected to the laptop. Then you can see this screen, and now you have to be very careful. Now from here you have to press volume down key. Don't press volume up key, just press volume down key. Now just press it, and now you can see the phone is starting. And now you can remove the USB cable, and you can see the phone is turned on. And that is how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone without a power button or a broken power button. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.